Charlie Answer Vlogs, and today I'm going to be opening up a Samsung S8. So, this is a very exclusive box. They can't really see it, Drake. Okay. Drake's video camera, videotaping. Show yourself, Drake. Yeah! Okay. Follow me on down my jar. So, 3. I'm going to open it. I'm going to see how it is. There it is. What the? It's just Rubik's cubes.
You got spammed. You want to go hunt down the guy? I heard his name was Kale Schaefer. Let's go find him.
Okay, you're too close to my face. That's fine. Yes.
That's the guy who spammed you.
Spam what? I didn't spam anyone.
You guys just got pranked. Okay, so what we did earlier today is we took apart fidget cube.
Rubik's Cube.
So I'm gonna show you what happens. Like it's something. Where did we put that at? Like it's like a ball.
She was on Dr. Phil.
Yep, Dr. Phil.
Where did we put it? Oh, right here. Okay, you guys cannot.
Oh, you mean the girl Catch Me Outside? Who was that? What?
Okay. So this is what a Rubik's Cube has inside of it. We took it all apart.
We thought that was a magical cube.
Yeah, we thought it was like a key to go to the Rubik's Cube factory.
Well, we're gonna. Like, I was just saying that because of Willy Wonka, but let's go somewhere.
Okay, let's go. Where do you want to go?
Do you want to show them the PlayStation thing that you set up?
Oh yeah.
No,
I haven't shown them
we don't need to. Then let's go somewhere else. Colson, where are you going?
I haven't showed him these. I haven't showed him this PlayStation. Well, I have.
You're gonna have to end this video soon.
Because we're gonna be videotaping them while too. Diamond Race is my channel. Okay, that's my PS4 TV.